Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we are in another London session trade. Just like yesterday, we grabbed this big move. We waited for the retracement to see what price was going to do, and now we are in a short once again. We'll scroll down here to the 15-minute time frame. Big liquidity sweep, red candle. We're gonna have this push to the downside. Now, target liquidity. We want to break this structure here to remain in a downward trend, and we want to target this liquidity, and we want to target this liquidity, and we want to target this liquidity. Now, there's a huge imbalance. I think it's on the 4 hour. Actually, might be on the daily. Yeah, huge imbalance on the daily. So, we're going to target this liquidity, top of the imbalance. Price should reject, but doesn't apply to us because we're just trading this move right here. Good news still supports it. The DXY is continuing its uptrend for the past 2 days. That's good. EXY, little choppy here, all these little gaps, but we should get some more price action. About 3 hours, 4 hours downtrend. So euro down, dollar up, euro USD should continue down. So we have good news, which is great. We can see it's still pulling down here. Now we got a nice red candle starting. Sweet. I'm going to update you guys when the trade finishes. However, I just want to kind of explain what we're doing and what kind of trade we're taking. I know I did a trade recap, a weekly trade yesterday, but I'll probably throw this one in as well, just because I think this is a sweet trade, a nice 2.7R, and really you don't even need the RRA. You could probably go to right there. It'd be a 6, but we're going to keep it up there just to give us a nice little buffer above this previous high. Don't think it'll get that level, especially after this nice liquidity wick here, but it's there. We'll see how it goes. Catch you guys probably New York session in the morning. I don't know, but we'll see. It's a Friday, so I don't think anyone's going to be wanting to hop in longs here. So I think this should be a fairly short-lived move to the downside. We'll grab our TP and then have a nice little weekend. But just gotta wait and see. So catch you guys when this trade plays out. Alright guys, so it is currently 2:36 p.m. on Friday. Pretty much New York session has pretty much played out. We ended up taking our profit at our second take profit because it just doesn't look like it's going to make it quite as far down, at least this week. And I don't want to hold this position over the weekend because of how volatile Euro USD can be, especially with the news coming out now. So that's going to wrap up this week's trading. We're going to get back into it next week. Like I said, we'll get a microphone. I got the spacing and stuff of the video layout fixed since the last video. I'm using a headset mic, that's why it sounds like complete utter dog shit, but we'll get a mic going, get a capture card, have a camera. You guys can actually see me. I'll put myself down here, over here or something. Over here, I don't know, but make it more interactive, make it better, get some better videos out to you guys. We almost got wicked out last night while I was asleep at the start of New York Open, so that was kind of a nerve-wracking thing to wake up to. We had this let's see here, we had this level of liquidity, I guess, before the US market makers decided to short it as well. so they could fill their orders. But yeah, liquidity sweep push. This would have been a good entry to get into. Actually, much better than the London session entry on this liquidity, but we didn't get that lucky. So let's zoom into the 5-minute and see. Yeah. No, it's a pretty good trade. I have a feeling next week it probably still come on down to this level before rebounding, but this could be the bottom. We'll just have to watch it play out. The daily looks. The daily's got a pretty good wick on it as well. So 2 hours, 20 minutes until the daily close. This could be the bottom for longs again. And I guess my next target price, if I was to take a trade, which I wouldn't take a daily trade, but if I was to take a trade at all, it would be this liquidity level and then this one. Well, actually now it would probably be that one. But the DXY, it wicked up into this imbalance. Hasn't been able to close. We still have 2 hours, 20 minutes on the daily. We scale down to the 15-minute just to get a little bit better idea of price action. We still technically are in a bullish trend, so we'll just have to see how that goes. The EXY, we're still in a bearish trend, so we'll have to see how that goes on the daily for EXY. If we close here, we'll have a lower low than this one, so we'll be in a bearish trend for that as well. So yeah, I could definitely see your USD pulling back down to this level, but that's just one thing we'll have to see next week. Not going to hold you guys up any longer. Have a good weekend. I will catch you guys probably on Monday if we see anything good. Till then, guys, I'll see you.